A section of the Indian medical fraternity is up in arms against Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his remarks in London that highlighted alleged malpractices by doctors in India. Several associations of doctors opposed the Prime Minister for his claim where he said doctors fail to prescribe generic medicines despite a government mandate. During his interaction in London, the Prime Minister had said that doctors often fail to prescribe cheap generic medicines and opt for costly medicines and get bribes from pharmaceutical companies. The Prime Minister had also added that doctors attend conferences abroad to promote pharmaceutical firms. The doctors, however, claim that the Prime Minister has maligned their profession and they attend conferences to learn new medical practices, and those are not sponsored by pharma firms. In an open letter, the doctors of the Indian Medical Association had said that the Prime Minister was unjust and his statement was uncalled for during his visit to the United Kingdom and has humiliated them.
दवाइयाँ पैकिंग अच्छा होता है, दवाई लिखने वाले को भी कुछ मिलता रहता है। आप जानते होंगे डॉक्टरों की कॉन्फ्रेंस कभी सिंगापुर होती है, कभी दुबई होती है? वहाँ कोई बीमार है इसलिए नहीं जाते। फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनियों के लिए जरूरी है, करते हैं।
I'm very surprised to hear such a statement from a head of the family, and that too on a foreign soil. The Indian Medical Association has been asking the government to control the prices of each and every drug and any other paraphernalia which is used as a disposable item to bring it into national list of essential medicine. There's the responsibility of the government to check the prices. It's not the responsibility of a doctor to check the prices which is being charged by the pharmaceutical companies or by the manufacturers or by the importers.
I do agree that there are certain, very few compared to the whole population, the percentage of unethical practice by a doctor. But that doesn't mean you talk about it on a public platform out of India. The government has put in such less money in budget allocation for health that our public hospitals are lacking in so many facilities. They are less in number, lacking in facilities, lacking in doctors. You go there, you don't get a medicine. The failure of all the successive governments cannot be blamed on the doctors. They should bring a regulation on the prices of the medicines, on the prices of everything, and guarantee the quality.
Mustafa Sheikh now joins me live from Mumbai on this big story. Mustafa, the doctors anguished over the Prime Minister's statement, especially since he made it on foreign soil. And what they're collectively now saying is it's in fact the government's responsibility to fix prices and they should not be made the villain of this piece.
Well, Vedika, since this topic has been made a topic of discussion, there are also necessity to bring both the points in foray. First is the Doctors Medical Association saying that what the PM has said is wrong. On the second side, there is a Chemist Association which are saying that for a long time they have been demanding that the doctors should start prescribing the generic drugs, which they are not doing for a longer time. The point is that there is a cheaper option available, and sometimes the doctors say that the generic drugs are not as effective as the branded drugs which they suggest. But for example, Tata Memorial Hospital in Mumbai is independent on 80% of generic drugs. So there are two sides of this story. The doctors may be right in saying that the prices of branded drugs should be brought down. The second issue also remains, which is represented by the Chemist Association, who agree with what PM has said, saying that for a long time doctors have not suggested generic drug, which would bring down the cost of purchase on the pocket cost for the patient. So there are both the sides available, and at this point of time this debate will rage on for a time, because it has been a long pending discussed issue, but it would be interesting to see what comes out of this debate. Vedika, back to you.
With me, we're once again going to replay the reaction, or rather the statement of the Prime Minister when he spoke to people in London, and this is a controversial remark made by him that has miffed the Indian Medical Association.
दवाइयाँ पैकिंग अच्छा होता है, दवाई लिखने वाले को भी कुछ मिलता रहता है। आप जानते होंगे डॉक्टरों की कॉन्फ्रेंस कभी सिंगापुर होती है, कभी दुबई होती है? वहाँ कोई बीमार है इसलिए नहीं जाते। फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनियों के लिए जरूरी है, करते हैं।
Mustafa, representatives of the Indian Medical Association have already written to the Prime Minister. Is there any other action they're planning to take?
Well, of course, it has been an embarrassing situation for the Indian Medical Association. What they have said, to be specific, is that PM has highlighted a darker side of the Indian medicines. He could have sent out a positive message. What they are saying that this kind of remarks can affect the medical tourism of this country, because India, you see, has a lot of growing medical population coming to India for their treatment, for the care, and that's what they are saying can be affected. So yes, it sends out a negative message. At this point of time, the medical associations are, going through and discussing amongst themselves, but at this point of time, there is no concrete word from them as to how they can tackle this situation which has been given to them by the PM of this country.
All right, Mustafa, thanks for joining us live. We'll keep coming back to you for more. But a lot of reactions coming in from the Indian medical fraternity, the anguish being expressed by the doctors over Prime Minister Narendra Modi's comment in the United Kingdom.
Ladies and gentlemen,
thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.